Okay. Finally, you finally take. Okay.
Okay, fine.
Welcome to episode 6 of Unengineered. Yes, we are doing this. This is week 6, and we have some exciting things to talk about this week. Today's Atik's birthday when we are recording it, so you're gonna have this late. Anyway, go wish him if you have forgotten. He's a nice guy. And we're gonna talk about Neuralink, the Pixel 4 release, and what?
Big
And
words,
how
guys.
Geo copied Zoom.
Neuralink. Yeah, Geo. Oh my God, I have a lot to say about that. Okay, we're gonna talk about TikTok alternative called Chingari. It's made in India, and it follows up with the topic that we talked about previously, which is banning Chinese apps. So yeah, if you haven't checked that out, it's episode 2, I think, of the podcast. You can go check that out.
I was gonna say Chingari, a copy of TikTok, or how we call it in India, an alternative.
Oh, nice.
वही मेरा sentence
For
ही नहीं बन रहा
the, for the sake of political correctness and nationalism, we call it alternative.
So anyway, let's start with Neuralink.
Yes, boys.
So, Adik, what do you think Neuralink is? Can you answer it for the second time and act like this is not the second time?
Nice one. So yeah,
Yeah.
Neuralink. Neuralink, guys. I assume I gave the example of Avatar. The blue monkey, otherworldly bow and arrow stuff. Yeah, that Avatar. वो लोग ऐसा pink glowing tree, all of that stuff, flying dinosaur. That Avatar, where the guy goes into sleep well. He goes into a sleep. He goes into a sleep well memory foam. Yeah, he sleeps on memory foam, and then he wakes up as a blue monkey, which is weirdly close to the Bheem universe, Chota Bheem universe of Jaggu. Yeah.
What have you been watching, Mike?
There
All this free time and you watch Chota Bheem.
they're all Jaggus. वो जग्गू वही से है, जग्गू अवतार से है, वही रहता है.
Oh,
Wow,
yes.
what a plot twist.
Anyway,
Yeah, I
honestly,
think that's a neural link where you can essentially you're connected neurally, right? And
why the brain?
yeah, you have
Yeah,
one
that's
brain
really
essentially.
awesome.
Sort of. You
Yeah.
have like one brain, two
So-
physical entities.
Yeah, so that might be a future implication of Neuralink, but currently it's all the hype around is because of Elon Musk and the way he markets it. Although it's something which has already been done before, they're doing it just in a way better way. So what Neuralink it's a brain implant, and there are fibers or threads, like they call it, which are implanted in your brain, which help the machine outside record your brain activity. So the way it does is it has electrodes on each thread, and these electrodes detect the electrical signals generated by neurons in your brain, and that is how they read it.
Right.
So the device which were there before, they had a huge opening on your head, which is not only aesthetically bad but also is
Bro, it looks scary.
breach in the first defense system of your body. Like imagine having a hole in your head.
What? Yeah, you don't want that. You don't
Yeah,
want a
so-
wooden head, guys.
So there is this other company called Utah Array. I don't know if it's a company or a product, but what they do is they put spiky, pointy things in your brain, and they have a big connector, huge connector. If Atik is gonna edit it, then he'll put the photo here.
Yep.
Then, so they have this huge connector on your head, and there are some videos of people moving objects on screen with it. So the Neuralink on some level is that, but in a better way because they have small thin threads. They're the size of a hair, and
that's
they
nice, that's
allow
nice.
they are so small that even the skilled surgeons can't put it in your head. So they had to make a robot which will put it in your head, and the
अच्छी
robot
बात
can
है.
put
ऐसा-
192 electrodes at every minute,
ऐसा-
even when a
ऐसा-
skilled surgeon is interrupting it to avoid blood vessels in your brain.
That's nice.
So that's pretty cool. So this is basically how Neuralink works and detects the signals in your brain. Although the exciting part is also this is exciting, and this is like
I'm assuming it's
some
it's
a leap
exciting because of
forward
the
in
applications.
biology. Yeah, but the applications are so many.
Yeah.
So, okay, people don't understand this, but let me put it this way:
Hmm.
we can, inside our brain, we can communicate at with different parts on a very fast speed, at a very fast speed.
Definitely.
But when we have to communicate with something external, like
Yup.
some other person, then we just have one data stream, that is talking and your visual cues. So we
Talking or
have.
like
So
typing,
that-
whatever your medium is.
Yeah, and typing में तो we have just two thumbs.
Oh my God.
Those are just two data points.
Very.
And if there will be a AI which is smarter than us, to communicate with it, we need a faster data stream, of course.
That's right. That's right.
So that they don't just cripple us, but we work with them. So this is an attempt to do that, because once we get to a point where there is sentient AI, we'll need something to communicate with it very quickly and very
True.
properly.
Oh, yo, that's a
Yeah,
good
so-
point. I never realized that application. That's a good one.
Yeah, so it only comes to your mind if you think about it that way, or someone puts it that way, ki we just have two data streams or one data stream, like in the
Yeah.
concept of data stream.
Yep.
And although this will come way ahead in the future, I'm like 5 to 10 years ahead, I guess. उसके बाद आएगा. But what current implications, current uses of this device is the people who are specially abled or can't move their body parts and stuff.
Damn.
So what
That's
they do is
crazy,
they connect a
yeah.
robot. Yeah, they connect a robot to the neurons. I don't know
Right.
exactly.
Sort of like
But-
what they did with what's the black hole guy's name? Hawking. Stephen Hawking.
Stephen Hawking.
Yeah.
अच्छा नहीं उसका different है.
But no, I
He
mean,
couldn't move his arms or legs.
I mean, I think so. There was no neural link involved.
नहीं.
So he
Neuralink तो
he
काफी
used to
नया है.
just control, type it out or something, right?
Yeah, he used to type it up.
Type
नहीं,
it
he
out.
used to. There was some detector.
Yeah, there was some kind of detector.
neck thingy में. I don't have exact details about it, but it was not this.
Okay.
And yeah, so after some experimentation, scientists realized that the more electrodes you have, the better you can interpret the signal coming.
Definitely.
So what they did is they trained some monkeys, and I think this was a different experiment, but they trained some monkeys.
Were the monkeys blue?
And
Advait? Sorry.
Nice. So the monkeys were trained to eat food out of the robot's hand.
Okay.
So the monkeys realized that if they think about that hand moving, it will move. And that is how they learned to eat that robot hand, because they were tied in a cage or something where they can't move their own hands.
Wow. Okay.
And they realized that the more electrodes they had in its brain, the more accurate the action would be.
Oh, nice.
So this game currently is about putting maximum number of electrodes in your brain.
Fair enough.
Okay, and so there are two problems that they are solving. पहले तो how to detect brain से, so that they have solved with those really thin threads.
Definitely.
And the second problem is how to get the data outside your brain. So they didn't mention much about it उनके launch या इसमें. But currently there is a device sticking out. There is a USB-C port sticking out of your head. So human trials हुआ नहीं है, but ऐसा they showed a picture of a mouse and उसके head से एक
That's hilarious.
USB Type-C port निकला है.
That's fucking hilarious, dude.
So-
Imagine, guys. This is so hilarious. I'm imagining putting my phone's charger in the back of my head. It's crazy. Imagine connecting an SSD to yourself.
Oh fuck, that would be smart. And putting all the data in it.
Oh, dude.
But you know,
I
that
won't-
would be stored
I won't-
in our brain.
I won't have to
After that,
remember
huh?
anything. I won't
Oh,
forget a
okay,
single birthday.
About that, remembering anything. Okay. So we'll come to the exciting
Best.
part of
I
it.
want
This
to.
is just how they
I
are
want a
doing
Type C
it and
thunder.
stuff.
I want a Thunderbolt port in my head. I don't care.
Bro, you don't know what's coming. Thunderbolt 3.
Oh,
So
God.
So to avoid that, what they are thinking, they didn't mention a lot about this, but what they're thinking is they'll have connectors coming to your ear, and इधर एक wireless ये होगा, charging and data transfer ये
Yes.
behind your skin. And they'll put a computer or something on your ear, जो ऐसे hearing aid के लिए normally रहता है ना वैसा
समझा,
type.
yeah.
And that is how they'll communicate and I guess provide power to the entire system. And they have this N1 chip which can which can read 3072 neurons at the same time.
They had what?
So that is some custom silicon. They made an N1 chip,
Oh, chip. Oh.
just like
Nice.
yeah, they made their own custom silicon.
Damn.
So that is pretty exciting. And the reason it's exciting is it will be given to the people who need it the most right now. Especially able
That's
people
right.
and even who can't move their arms, legs, or can't do basic stuff. Can't speak here, those stuff. So it will give them a level playing field to communicate with everyone on a better level.
That's right. Fair
So
enough.
Neuralink फिलहाल के लिए is about bringing those people at a level where they can communicate better with us and interact with the real world far better than what they can do right now.
Right.
But once that happens, once we are so ahead that Neuralink is basically something that you can get done in one afternoon or something like that. I mean, it's probably gonna take more than that, but
yeah, obviously.
still.
I mean, it reminds me of.
imagine controlling. Yeah.
It reminds me of quite a few shows. First of all, The Matrix. The Matrix. It reminds me of The Matrix.
I haven't watched.
Quite close.
I haven't watched.
You haven't watched it? It's okay. It's okay. It reminds me of The Matrix for those people who have watched it, and it reminds me
Something
of.
like that you haven't watched. You just watched it recently.
Huh?
I remember your story saying.
Yeah,
कि,
yeah.
हाँ, कि I am getting God.
I liked it. And the other is Altered
Huh.
Carbon. If you haven't seen Altered Carbon, that's another concept of like storing yourself, literally storing your
Also,
consciousness in a hard drive, yeah, and then transferring it to another body. It's like that. It's based on that. I mean, I tried to
Yeah.
watch it, but I got bored.
So yeah. So what do you think? Are you fine being a cyborg, बाद में?
I am all for Cyberpunk 2077. Okay, मैं in है. मैं Thunderbolt पोर्ट लगाएगा. मैं M.2 पोर्ट लगाएगा.
You're a biohacker now, huh?
PCI सब लगा. ग्राफिक कार्ड लगा लेगा मैं अपने आप पे. कोई सीन नहीं मेरे को.
But
That's hilarious.
but here's the thing. Aren't we all cyborgs? अभी से, I mean,
yeah,
we
already.
have device,
Yeah.
we have information.
Yeah.
I mean, we can't access it directly in our brains, but you can
Definitely.
basically access all the information that you need via the internet and on
Definitely.
your phone.
Definitely.
So that
See,
is already an extension
this
of
is,
you.
Exactly. This is the example that I loved. जो Elon ने दिया था, मेरे को बहुत अच्छा लगा सुन के. He said कि what is a phone, right? A phone stores your data, right? It reminds you of stuff. It calls. It helps you communicate with people. It helps you send messages, right? What is it but an extension of your consciousness? Your phone can tell so many things about you. Your phone is literally a personification of you as a human being, right? And the thing is, हम लोग को feel नहीं आती है कि phone is an extension of us because it's not attached to us, right?
Exactly.
But the interface between us and the phone is very slow, right? As he said, 2 data streams. It's very
Two
slow.
data streams.
And in the future if this technology, neural links become advanced, we won't even need an external device to store all the stuff. It can just be implanted in our brains, that's literally the difference between
That is
an
so
external phone and an internal phone. Like, we don't have connectors in our brains yet. So that's why we have an external device with all the connectors and stuff. Good, that's a great example.
That is so exciting to think about.
I know, right?
Like, I would love to live that world, man.
It's crazy good example. Great example. I loved it.
And there was one more thing that I don't think they brought up because it was so far-fetched, but imagine storing your experiences and then reliving them.
Oh,
Again.
bhai, VR.
They can record
The next
all
step
the
to VR.
neurons that are firing,
Beautiful.
and then they could just replay it, and you could experience the entire thing all over again.
Oh, bhai. It'll be much difficult to get over your exes then, guys.
Oh, that was the first thing I was gonna say. Imagine kissing your first girlfriend and then reliving
I'm sorry. I don't know. मेरे दिमाग में पहले वही आया.
it. मेरे दिमाग में पहले वो आया था something.
Oh God. Some things are better forgotten, guys. It's just
Yes.
Oh
Especially
God.
that.
Neuralinks, why you do this?
Anyway, that is Neuralink, and it's far-fetched. Come on, it's gonna take good 5 or 10 years to get everything ready to
अरे
the
उससे भी
point
ज़्यादा है.
where
हाँ, आराम से.
we would have it. And even after that, to build experiences out of it, it's gonna take even more time. Because
Definitely. 100%.
you're dealing with something that we don't know a lot about. That is our brain.
I think
So-
from my perspective, right, the only thing that I'm most excited about is telepathy, right? this Neuralink technology will allow us to like communicate without speaking, using brainwaves and stuff like that. And I think I am most excited for that because I find it very difficult to sometimes work in a team, right? Because it's difficult to explain.
Communication.
Yeah, there's a lot of communication barrier, right?
Uh-huh.
And imagine sitting in a room, right, with 10 other people and everybody's trying to get the point across. That's very noisy and very full of confusion, right? Instead of that, imagine कि तुम बैठे हो 10 लोगों के साथ and कोई कुछ नहीं बोल रहा है, everybody's just communicating using brainwaves, right? And
Won't
it's
that
so
be
much faster.
boring as fuck?
That would be boring, but then again, we might not even need to be in the same room, right?
Yeah, about the not in
Uh-huh.
the same room is exciting because you can it just works.
Exactly.
And that will change the human experience. काफी ज़्यादा.
It
Your
will
social
completely
being
change it. Completely change it.
I don't know how I feel about not talking at all, but yeah, imagine thinking a wrong thought about something and you're like, oh, thank God that person can't read my mind. And turns out they were because you're telepathically connected and
Oops. You're gonna have to be
That's
careful.
talking about it.
You're gonna have to be careful about that. You're gonna have to put a
Yeah.
filter of some sort.
Yeah, exactly. So controlling that's gonna be hard.
Yeah, that's a good con that Advait brought up. But that
Although
really excites me.
there will be software here in places.
Huh.
Imagine getting hacked in your brain.
We are
That
just
is scary.
building clouds in the air, guys. So don't worry.
But that's the thing, Neuralink where if something goes wrong, all you can do is pull the wireless adapter with yourself and everything is back to normal.
Yup. Yeah, hopefully it works that way.
Yeah, it will work that way. There is no other way.
Oh, acha. Okay, fine. Cool. So फिर ठीक है.
हाँ.
Advait.
I mean, if something is wireless, it should be able to just put it away.
Fair enough. That's right.